Jittery world stock exchanges are breathing a sigh of relief after the shock from the property debt crisis in Dubai. The Emirates state-owned firm was teetering last week because it wanted to delay billions of dollars in loans. Gulf markets are still reeling from what's been the first big sign of economic trouble there. And international investor Jim Rogers can explain more to us, and he's in Prague. Mr. Rogers, a very warm welcome to the programme. So global investors continued to plough money into Dubai's ballooning property market while the world was sliding. So couldn't they see this coming?
Well, I'm surprised because anybody who went to Dubai, at least when I went to Dubai, I could see that there was a boom that was turning into a bust. I just think most of the people who were putting money there never went there, didn't know what they were doing, and just relied on other people.
Yeah, why do you think it's only caused a ripple on the world markets rather than a wave?
Well, because the numbers, while they're staggering numbers, but it's only a maximum of $80 billion. And when we put that in the context of what's been going on, I mean, in the U.S., for instance, they put $800 billion just into a few banks, over 10 times as much. So while $80 billion is a lot of money, in the world context, it's not so much. And not that many people are going to suffer big losses.
Okay. Dubai's government, meanwhile, is leaving the banks to fight for their millions, even though Dubai World is state-owned. Is this going to be a harsh lesson for investors at a time they least need one?
It's one of the lessons that all investors should learn very early in their career. Don't do anything unless you know it's guaranteed by somebody that you can rely on. Nobody ever guaranteed Dubai World, and that's a lesson that people have learned over and over again throughout history. They often ignore it, as we're finding out now.
Yeah, and this is really shaking what have been up until now and supremely confident Arab markets. How is this going to pan out for them?
Well, the Arab markets, which have a lot of money, are going to be fine. In fact, it will probably present opportunities. Abu Dhabi has a lot of money. They're not going bankrupt, but their stocks went down just because they are associated with the Middle East. So the ones who are still solvent present great opportunities. The others, everybody will now be very skeptical about and will require very sound guarantees, or they're going to stay away. So it's the same old thing. Those who have it, keep it and get more, and those who don't, lose.
All right, Jim Rogers, thank you very much indeed for your time, sir.